On behalf of the Mighty Matador NJRTC, good day. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Honra la bandera de Texas. Prometo lealtad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios único e indivisible.
Carry colors. Ready, cut. Left turn.
What's up, Matadors? Welcome to another terrific Tuesday. Today is October 28th, 2025. I'm Zachary, Boyce.
And I'm Bonilla. Thanks for tuning in on another episode of MatCast, your go-to spot for all things Matador Nation.
Coming up with the Cosmetology Winter Balls is right around the corner. We'll let you know when you can get your glam on.
Plus, get ready to bring the energy. Another pep rally is on the way. We've got all the details you don't want to miss.
Stick around, Matadors. MatCast starts right now.
We got some exciting news for all of our Seguin fans out there. Backed by popular demand, the Seguin vs. Everybody apparel is officially on sale. You can now grab your favorite gear in short sleeve, long sleeve, or hoodie options. To get yours, go to bit.ly/Seguin vs. Everybody shirts. Don't miss your chance to show your Matador pride and represent Seguin wherever you go.
Attention all NHS students, Mrs. Brenner will be hosting a meeting after school in classroom A308 on Wednesday, October 29th. Discussions will be about upcoming volunteer opportunities, events, plannings, and important monthly reminders. If you're unable to attend, please contact an officer on Mrs. Brenya's ahead of time.
It is almost time for the Winter Ball, the last dance, the last party, and the last get-together of 2025. This is your final chance to celebrate with your friends, classmates, and the entire Matador family before we close out the year. Let's make it a night to remember as we say goodbye to 2025 and welcome in 2026 in true Matador style. Here's how to get your tickets. Tickets will be on sale during all lunches starting in November. You can buy them from any cosmetology student. Stop by room D101 or D103, or simply scan the QR code on the flyers posted around the campus. Don't wait. This is the last big celebration of the year and you don't want to miss it.
Matador Nation, it's time to turn up the spirit because the Blackout Pep Rally is almost here. Join us Thursday, October 30th from 3:30 to 4:05 in the SHS SAC as we come together to celebrate our mighty Matadors. We want to see the stands packed and glowing, so dressed in black or neon and show off that Matador pride. Whether you're rocking all black or shining bright in the neon, and make sure to bring your glow sticks. Make sure you stand out and bring your energy. Let's cheer loud and show everyone what Matador spirit is all about. Don't miss out the Blackout Pep Rally this Thursday, October 30th from 3:30 to 4:05 in the SAC.
Hola Matadors, are you ready to put your Spanish speaking skills to the test? Then get excited because the SHS Spelling Bee is coming soon. This is your chance to shine, show off your Spanish vocabulary, and compete with other students for the title of the SHS Spelling Bee champion. If you'd like to participate, be sure to stop by room A208 to speak up with Miss Martinez there. You can sign up and pick up your Spanish Spelling Bee word list so you can start practicing early. The big event will take place on Wednesday, November 19th, 2025 from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. in the SHS library. Don't miss out on the fun and educational experience. Come test your Spanish cheer on your classmates and celebrate the beauty of the language. Let's spell, learn, and have fun.
Senior Walk is coming up quick, and if you want to be part of it, now is the time to create your slide. Seniors, go to the senior cohort on Google Classroom, and under the classwork tab, there is a link for the senior baby video. Use the template to create your own slide and submit it back in the cohort. All videos are due by Wednesday, November 5th. The senior walk will happen Friday, November 7th. If you have any questions, go by room D110 and speak with Mrs. Spahn.
Attention freshman class of 2029, there will be a class meeting next week. The meeting will take place November 3rd in the library from 4:05 to 5 p.m. Come meet your new class officers and be involved in upcoming fundraisers for your class. Snacks will be provided, so reminder to show up and come support your class.
Are you interested in performing dancing and competing this season? The Matador Color Guard is holding open casting for 2026 Winter Guard season. No experience is required. They'll teach you everything you need to know. Auditions will be held November 18th from 5:30 to 8 p.m. in the Seguin High School Wellness Center Gym. Requirements include a great attitude, a willingness to learn, and passing grades every 9 weeks. If you have any questions, email Ms. Brown at hbrown@seguin.k12.tx.us. So don't miss your chance to be part of this amazing team. The Matador Color Guard wants to see you this season.
Our men's Matador basketball team will be hosting tryouts on Saturday, November 1st at 9 a.m. in the Wellness Center Gym. Students, if you are looking out to try out, you must be passing all classes, a physical must be turned in, and rank 1 paperwork must be completed. If you need to contact the coaches, their info is on your screen now. Be sure to mark it down so you won't forget. We can't wait to see you all try out.
Hey Matadors, are you looking to freshen up your look this fall? The Seguin High School Cosmetology Salon is open and ready for clients. They are offering a fall promotion for faculty only, so if you work here at Seguin High, this is your chance to take advantage of some amazing salon services at a great price. The salon is open Wednesday and Thursday from 4:15 to 7 p.m. They offer everything from haircuts, highlights, manicures, pedicures, facials, and waxing, all done by our talented cosmetology students. If you'd like to make an appointment, please email Mrs. Guerra or Mr. De Leon. Support our Seguin cosmetology student and treat yourself this season. Don't miss out on the limited time fall promotion for faculty.
Those are all the announcements for today.
Reporting in to you from the Matt Cave in Delta House, I'm Zachary Boyce.
And I'm Maya Bonilla. Let's keep this year strong. Let's stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing because the future is now.